Yay! Where are your socks? Here, no, you have no socks. Here. Where are we? Hi guys.
Okay. Okay guys, we must have what? We can fly the school again guys.
Daddy is calling. Oh, your feet is dirty. And you have boo-boo. Wait a minute. How about me? I have no socks.
You have socks. You're holding it.
Huh?
You're holding it.
Where?
Here.
Wait for me here. It's my turn. Good.
Good day, everyone. Get ready for a party because we're fun only.
Wait for me.
Thank you.
Let's go. Sia, where are we? What time? 4:30. 2 hours of Kitsuna.
Hi guys. I'm Iguayan. Now I'm at the garden.
Oh, let's go play another. Sand? Where? Okay, go. There you go. There's Mamo. Go there. Oh no, mabuhangin. I'll go na. Play na. Go. I'll help you. Go there, oh. Let's wear boots. Miss, pwede siyang suot. Zia, where? Give me your feet. There one. Yay. Oh. Ah. Yeah, what's that? Turn this. No. Shoot here. Here. Go. Wow.
I think it's too many. So let's compare it. Ah! Look, it's coming!
Wow.
Forget more!
Look, Sia, there's more daw. What's that? You get chabo. Oh, careful. Don't do that. Only here. You will hit someone. Look. Say sorry. Don't do that. You will hit someone. Oh, I will help you. You clear the sun here. Don't throw sand. How?
He put it on her head and then he put it on her dress like that.
Don't do that because that's not good.
Yeah.
You want to play somewhere? Let's try the slide. New slide. Let's go. Yeah, come here. There. The other way. Here. Go around.
Ayan.
Here. Don't slide.
Just try na konti ng sound.
Oh. Yeah, go there. Go there. There, there. Yeah, here. There. Here. See ya here.
Okay, kids, paano mo po Lola? Dito na po tayo sa mga ganda po. Sa lahat sa mga po ng kids, yan po sa may motor area. Sa mga din area, sa lahat po area. Lahat po ng kids, yan po namin. Nasa mga yung kami ng Trinity. Kaya po hapon, dito na sa aming event area. Lala wants to dance to play with you guys. Hello! Come on, kids! Okay, dito po tayo sa ating dito po tayo sa ating area. Lahat po ng kids, dito po tayo. Kami susunod na po sa lahat po ng parents and guardians po. Dito na po tayo sa labas po ng ating event area para magkaroon po tayo ng space para po sa games po ng ating mga kids. Ayan po. Okay. Ay, kids! Okay na lahat po na gusto mo kumabon. Magbibigyan po sa ating bang ng 10 seconds. Pwede pa rin po kayo kumabon. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan, arms forward po tayo. Sabi nila na dyan, arms forward po. Ayan,
See
okay.
ya.
Move forward po tayo para maano po natin yung space po sa likod po. Yan, move forward po. Yan, okay. Then, arms forward po, arms forward. Arms forward po. Paano po yung arms forward, Lala Chan? Arms forward po. Yan, ganyan daw po, sabi ni Lala. Yan. Okay. Arms down po, arms down na po. Pillow na po. Ayan, okay. Bago po tayo mag-sport
Yeah, arms down.
magpapakilala po muna kami sa inyong event team.
No,
Ako
go
po
down.
si Ate Pam, ang inyong MC for
Here.
today. Together with Ate Naz and Ate Daisy. Okay. Hi there! Hi kids! Hello! Ayan, meron po tayong bisita from Japan. She loves dancing and she loves eating strawberry. Okay. Tawagin po natin siya. Dapat mas malakas po, okay? Para hindi yung siya, okay? And dapat tawagin natin siya, Lala Chan, okay? And
Follow this.
Ayan. Up and down, push up, side. Ayan. Okay, then. Roll. Roll to the left and to the right. Okay, are you ready, kids? Okay.
Stop and giggle. Do the flippy down. From the side to the middle. Do the flippy wiggle. Twist and wriggle. Shake it just a little bit.
Stop, ready to turn around.
Do the flippy wiggle.
Then up and down.
You can do it at a party.
Yeah.
When you're home,
Go, kids.
you can do
You can
it.
do it.
You can do it all alone. All you need is you and a super cool beat. If you wanna do
Then.
the flippy wiggle with me.
Okay. Okay, kung nakikinig po ang ating mga lisan, sa po muna tayo lahat. Hands up po. Hands up. Then, shake your hand. Shake your hand. And sit down. Ayan. Sit down po ang lahat. Ipapaliwanag po ni Ate Pam ang full mechanics ng ating laro. Ayan. Ayan. Sino po nakakalam ng ating laro ngayon? Ano po ang laro natin, kuya? Tag of war. As you can see, meron po tayo rope dito. At sa gitna po ng rope, meron po pink flag. Ayan. Then meron po tayong two teams, which is Team A and Team B. Pag sinabi ni Ate Pam na hold the rope, then pull, maghihilahan po si Team A at si Team B. At pag nagsilang si Ate Pam ng 15 seconds at naka-giveaway ang pink flag, sino mo ang winner? Team A! Naintindihan po ba ang mechanics ng ating laro? Okay, sige po. Ang safety reminder lang po si Lala Chan. Okay? Ano po yung safety reminder natin, Lala Chan? No motion daw po. Okay? Then, no jumping. Kasi doon po natin gagawin sa may airdrop area. And, ano pa po yung Lala Chan? Hold the rope as long as you can. Then, most of all, ano po yung Lala? Enjoy! Okay po? Okay, sana po tayo and room yourself into Team A and Team B! Come on! Ayan, magbibilang siya ni ba? Pagbilang po, 10, naka-line up na kayo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
See ya.
2, 1. Naka-line up na po ba ang Team A at Team B natin? Okay. Ayan, arms forward po. Then, wala pong maghihiwa-hiwalay po. Pagdating po natin yung sa airdrop area. Ayan. Okay, 30 po. 2, 4, 8, 9. Okay. Ayan. Arms forward. Wala pong maghihiwa-hiwalay. Okay po? Okay. Ayan. Ready na po mga Team A? And ang Team B, ready na rin po ba? Okay, Lala Chan, are you ready? Okay, ready. Ito si Lala. Come on, Lala Chan. Come on, kids. Go Team A. Go Team B. Go Team A. Go Team B. Go Team A. Go Team B. Okay, wala pong maghihiwa-hiwalay. And pagdating po dito sa airdrop area, wala pong tatalon. Okay po? Ayan. Nasaan ang ating PA? Ayan, ang mo. Okay, nasaan ang ating Team A? Ayan, ready na ating Team B. Talagang sumasayaw pa. Okay, come on, Team A. Come on.
It's whatever you want.
clapping na po. Then hands up. Yan. Okay. Ready na po mga Team B? Ready na po mga Team B? Ayan, Team B, ready po ba? Okay, bawi po ang Team B ha. Ready na po ba ang ating mga parents and guardians? The countdown begins in 3, 2, 1, fire up! Go! 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 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Okay! Gabaan na po ang road! Gabaan na po! Ayan! Nakabawi po ang Team B! Kaya ang palalo po ng ating round 2 ay ang Team B! Ayan, dahil dalawa po kayong mag-1. Ayan, kailangan mayroong manalo. Ayan, kaya magkakaroon po tayo ng round 3. Ikaw po sa road, ikaw po. Okay, hands up po tayo, hands up. Hands up na po, Team A. Hands up din po ang Team B. Ayan. Okay, Team A, ready na po ba kayo sa ating round 3? Ang Team B, ready na din po ba sa ating round 3? Ang ating mga parents, guardians, ready na din po ba? Okay. The countdown begins in 3. Okay, baba po muna ang ating rope. Baba po muna. Wala pa po. Okay. Hands up. Hands up po lahat. Hands up. Ayan. The countdown begins in 3, 2, 1. Ang winner po natin ay ang Team A! Ayan, okay, line up po tayo mga kids. Line up po tayo, Team B. Line up po tayo, Team A. Ayan. Okay, Lala Chan, tara. Dito tayo kay Team B. Okay, hi Team B! Hello! Ayan, dahil panalo po si Team A, bibigyan po natin siya ng 5 claps. Then, very good. Okay ko? Okay. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good, Team A. Okay, dito na po tayo kay Team A. Hi, Team A! Ayan. Dahil good job din naman po si Team B. At nag-effort din naman po sila. Bigyan po natin sila ng 3 claps. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job, Team B. Ayan. Okay, line up na po tayo. Don't jump po. Then, arms forward. At babalik na po tayo sa ating event area. Ayan. Come on. Congratulations to all the teams. Dito po tayo sa ating event area. Come on. prizes. Inyong pag-victoria, kailangan mag-shout po kayo na surprise para makita po yung ating box. Okay? Okay, try natin. In 3, 2, 1! Dapat nakasan po surprise. Okay? Dapat mas malakas na surprise. Okay po? Okay, in 3, 2, 1! Okay, tignan po. Bibigyan po kayo. Isa-isa nila ate. Okay. Tapos taas po ang kamay nang wala pa po. Okay? Then, sit-down po tayo. Magpapapicture po tayo sa ating mga parents and guardians. Sit-down po tayo. Sit-down
Sit
po.
down. Sit down. Go there. Sit down.
Okay,
No,
sit-down po
sit down
muna
there.
tayo. Sit-down po muna tayo. Sit-down po. Ayan. Okay.
Sit down.
Alright, kids. Hello. Ayan. May papagawa si Ate Pa. When I say kids do not, you shout hooray. Dapat mas malakas. Okay? Yan, i-wave niyo po yung inyong mga balloon para makicture po tayo ng ating mga parents and guardians. Okay? Okay, practice po natin. In 3, 2, 1, kids do not. Okay, parents and guardians, pumili naman tayo dito po sa harapan po ng ating event area. Picture po natin ang ating mga kids together with the red team. Ayan. Okay, kids. In 3, 2, 1, kids do not. Okay, mas malakas po, mas malakas. In 3, 2, 1, kids do not. Ayan. Halika, Lala Chan. Okay. Kids, may tanong si Lala Chan. Naging nyo ikaw po ba kayo dito sa Linguna? Ayan. May tanong pa po siya. Sino daw po ba ang gusto mag-birthday kay Linguna? Taas ang kamay. Ayan. Parents and guardians. Sa mga gusto po magpa-party dito po sa Linguna, you may ask our friendly and approachable partner anytime, anywhere po. Or
Yeah.
follow po our Linguna map para po sa inyong mga pieces
Yeah.
po. Sa front po dito po anytime or anywhere. Yeah. It's time to say goodbye to Lala Chan! Goodbye! Kaya sa lahat po na gusto magpa-picture, dito na po
What?
tayo sa airdrop area.
Yeah. Picture. Picture with Edsa. Bye-bye. Come here. Change battery.